fish are going to start be active. Come on! A fossil of Velociraptor. I will release it. Here makes a small foam, casts like a bullet. I hope everyone is fine. Conditions today are great.
The barometric pressure is changing.
Yeah, we can see the sky and probably the fish are going to start be active right as we speak. In order to get some, we're going to use the ultralight tackle, LRF technique. It's summer. I'm going to try to focus for some sea bass. At this moment of the year, the sea bass are small, so I'm coming mostly for fun. Maybe I will have the chance to get some about around a kilo, probably no more. But let's try. Maybe we can get some. For sure, if the fish are active, according to my calculations, we are going to have some really nice fun. So let's try. What do you say?
I am going to use the new Bullet Mullet, the smaller size, the 55.
I'm going to use our 014 semi-soft LRF fluorocarbon. I'm going to use our extra small snaps. New Bullet Mullet. This video contains subtitles in many languages. Please go down to the right on YouTube's subtitle menu and choose your country's subtitle. Αδέρφια μου Έλληνες, και αυτό το βίντεο έχει υπότιτλους στα ελληνικά όπως όλα μου τα βίντεο. Απλά ενεργοποιήστε το από το μενού του YouTube. Absolutely! Ah! Absolutely! Look at all these sea bass! They love it! Whoa! It's a baby! I took my time to finalize this topwater lure. I didn't want just another topwater lure. I wanted a topwater lure that casts really far and performs a perfect walking action, and not just that. On each walking, this lure makes a really side-to-side action, revealing the whole profile under the surface, underwater actually. So the fish underneath keep on looking one another side, and on the gills, if you see, it's a rough surface that every time the lure makes a side-to-side action, traps a bit of air, makes a small foam, just for more realistic action. You will love it. there is a reason for calling it Bullet Mullet. It looks like a mullet, it has the perfect shape of a mullet, but it casts like a bullet, so it's a Bullet Mullet. Whoa! What's this? Oh! It looks like a fossil of Velociraptor. Nope, it's just an unlucky baby seagull. Yes, poor baby. You will be amazed of how nicely this lure walks. Even if it's your first time using a top water walking the dog lure, you will enjoy it. It's really easy. Oh, yes, blue mullet. Here he goes. Whee! Whoa! Killer cast. Oh! What was that? That was... Oh, they go like crazy. Look how much they attack. Oh, oh! Of course he took it. Oh! Come here. I love light game. Oh, come here, little sea bass. Amazing. How beautiful and... Come on. Okay. Ooh. Oh, 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 probably a sea bass. Yes. Oh, it jumps out of the water. Whoa. Amazing. I will release it for sure. Whee! I need the sugar. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. Oh ho ho! Ho ho! Got another one! Ha. Hello, sea bass. Ooh, it's a bit better. Ah, oh. Whoa. Okay. Yes. Come on. Come on. Yeah, of course. The small size makes it irresistible even for little fish. Opa! Now I'm going to use the ghost sardine, that it's a semi-ghost color. Ooh. I still can't believe the cast of such a small lure. Oh, oh, yes. Oh, 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 yes. And it seems like a nice one, I think. Oh. Oh yeah. Come out, come out. Ooh, a bit better, a bit better. So guys, I think we had lots of fun. Ha! I will not continue. It's pointless. It's fun, I had fun. I got one good fish for the midday lunch. And that's it. What else to ask? This is what fishing is all about. Fun. Don't you agree? Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you soon.